Hi, this is Ryan Thomas with East West here with another Composer Cloud tutorial. And today we're going to be looking at the horror atmosphere demo that was written for one of the 1-minute Composer Cloud tips. And I want to remind you that there is a comprehensive list of all the patches that I'm using in this demo provided for you in the video description. So I would actually encourage you to go ahead and have that patch list open while you watch this. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into the piece. And we're starting off with the pin piano from Ghostwriter. And one thing I do want to go ahead and just point out right off the bat is that I'm not really doing a lot of extensive processing to any of these Ghostwriter patches. Most of what you hear is pretty much just an out-of-the-box sound. And I mean, of course, I'm sending to some reverbs and doing a little bit of EQ here and there. But other than that, this is mostly just an out-of-the-box sound. Most of the processing going on in this plugin is just some light EQ and compression. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, let's just go ahead and stop there. We need to talk about these transitional elements. So the voices that you're hearing are just from symphonic choirs, and I took the whisper words, bounced them to audio, and then just used the reverse function within Logic. So they started off like this, and ended up like this. And there is a stereo delay on this track. You can see all the settings right here if you want to try to emulate that. All right, and then we've got these reverse chimes. These are actually from the Mongolian chimes patch in Storm Drum 3. Same principle. I just bounced it to audio and then reversed it, and that gave us this. And then finally, we've also got the rumps. Oh, sorry, along with a bass drum roll from, I believe, Hollywood Orchestral Percussion. Yes. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the next part here. Okay, so we have the pin piano going on like before. We've added the astral pad from Ghostwriter, along with just one single note on the piano from Symphonic Orchestra. And that just kind of carries through these two measures here. We also have the EBow guitar with a bit of a pitch bend in there. I'll go ahead and solo that for you. And the creepy cello, which is actually the distorted cello ethereal from Ghostwriter. So that's actually, that's pretty much it for that section. Although I do have to mention that there is a little bit of percussion in this section. We've got the lion drum hits,